Today we're going to install a new purge valve on this 2013 Ford Explorer. Alright, let's go ahead and just jump right in. Grab the new sensor. Just made a video of how to remove it, and now we're going to install the new one. So let's go ahead and squeeze it in there. Grab the two screws. Put the two screws into place, and let's go ahead and secure these down. We're going to use a 5/16 socket to tie this down. Not too tight, it is plastic. Okay, let's go ahead and connect this hose back into place. Just clamp it all the way in, then clamp that down. We're going to go ahead and grab the pigtail and plug in the pigtail, just like so. We're going to go ahead and grab our cover and put our cover back into place. It's going to go right in here, just like so. Grab our clip there, and then this one here is going to go right in here, just like so. Secure it and grab your tools. Let's go ahead and clear that check engine. All right, here we have our scanner. Go ahead and erase our codes. Scan it one more time. All the monitors should be blinking. There they are. Sweet. So we just have that one permanent. We got to drive it. The check engine should be gone. And now, start her up. No check engine. And we just got to drive it. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.